Anyway, welcome guys. So we're supposed to do a box break for the group, but nobody joined, so let's just open it for the heck of it. So I'll be opening these myself, and yeah, just share with you whatever I could find, right? So yeah. Anyway, so let's begin. So let's do it Court Kings first. So Court Kings, we've got Acetate Rookies, and we've got Heir Apparent and all those signature series, and Chase would be a blank slate. I was able to open a blank slate earlier, but I'll just showcase that later. So let's just start with this box first, shall we? So yeah, maybe I'll do another box break with you guys for the group. Yep, wrapper, there you go. Then we'll see whether if you guys want to join me for a break in the future. There you go. Oops, looks bad there. Let's put it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packs. Got my sleeves. See if they're ready. All right, first pack. Let's begin. Who do we want? Ja would be nice. Zion would be nice. Autos would be nice. I mean, it's going to be quite hard to get it here, but yeah, we'll see. So first is, game winner of the scrimmage, Mr. Devin Booker. And we've got Nikola Vucevic, Steph Curry, and our first acetate will be Cameron Johnson. And our rookie number 1 will be, this is Pascal. Yeah, Pascal Siakam. All right, so let's leave those up. So yeah. Ooh, there's a chip there. See that? See that white line? Not so good. Let's put them here first. Then we've got Eric Pascal. We'll just put him here in the sleeve. All right, moving on for our second pack. Okay. I'm actually more excited with the hangers that we'll be opening. I am looking for a variation of some of the of basically Ja. All right, next we've got Spicy P, Pascal Siakam from Toronto Raptors. Jimmy Buckets from the Heat, Miami Heat. LeBron, King James for the Lakers. And our next card is, it's a Dress to Impress of James Harden. Pretty nice. Not that he's gonna impress anybody with that kind of dress, lol. And our next rookie is Charlotte Hornets. So PJ Washington. Yep, PJ Washington it is. We'll sleeve LeBron and PJ. Always nice to be opening PJ. I mean LeBron. Dress to Impress. There we go. Still base there. All right, pack number 3. Let's go. Let's see some nice players. Let's see some Zion or Jazz. Kobe White would also be okay, but yeah. All right, we've got Blake Griffin, Donovan Mitchell from the Jazz, Utah Jazz, Kemba Walker from Celtics, and our catching handles, Terry Rozier, and our rookie level 1 is from Boston Celtics, Romeo Langford. Could be better. Could be better. Yeah, we'll sleeve those up. Okay. so far, not so good. Our acetate wasn't really that nice. Alright, for pack number 3, you've got Kevin Durant from the Brooklyn Nets, Malcolm Brogdon from the Indiana Pacers. We've got DeMar DeRozan from the Spurs. And our next card is a Academy of Fine Arts. This is from Garrett Payton. Alright, and then our next rookie card is, okay, so it's a Pelican. Let's see if it's the right Pelican. It's the wrong Pelican because it's Jackson Hayes. You already know from the hair. Okay, that was bad. Oh yeah, we're not really expecting anything from there. Alright. Nice base though. I am collecting the base of this cards, this set. Alright. 2 packs left, 3rd pack. 3rd to the last. Oh, I already saw who the rookie here is, but anyway, let's see. John Collins from the Hawks. Tobias Harris for the Philadelphia 76ers. Jamal Murray for the Nuggets. And we've got a Taco Tuesday for our acetate for Boston Celtics. And we've got Tyler Hero, my hero, from Miami Heat. Okay. Alright, so far so bad. For me at least. If this was a break, then yeah, that would have been nice for anyone who joined. Let's put it here. Put it there first. Alright. Last 2 packs. Second to the last pack. Look at that. Alright. Happy with that already. Buddy Hield for the Kings. Clippers, Lou Williams, and a numbered RJ Barrett to 25. Oh my god, look at that, boys and girls. And you guys didn't want to join my break. Sorry, this is mine. RJ Barrett. Auto rookie. Emerald. Auto on card. For RJ Barrett, number 15 of 25. I would have said congratulations New York, but no, congratulations to me. That is perfect. And we've got Modern Strokes of Andre Drummond, and of course, Ja Morant. Nice. Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, and then our last pack for this box. Jared Culver. Didn't get his eye in. That's okay. So we've got Joel Embiid for the 76ers Philadelphia. We've got Julius Randle from the New York Knicks. Brandon Ingram for the New Orleans Pelicans. Ooh, we've got a numbered Devin Booker and a Jared Culver. It's a purple. It's a amethyst, if I'm not mistaken. 77 to 99, Devin Booker. Nice. That's a pretty good box. Pretty damn good box, I must say. All right. So that's so far our hits for this box. We've got Cam Johnson, Taco Fall for our acetates, an RJ Barrett auto, a Ja Morant rookie number 1, and a cross hatching handles by Devin Booker. Perfect time. All right, moving on to our next product. So we've got a NBA. This is a Mosaic Hanger box. Retails for very expensive now. So we are looking for reactive orange prisms and rookie variations. I'm more interested with rookie variations, to be honest, because I am looking for Ja Morant as well. or a Zion if I'm getting lucky, if I'm a little bit more persuasive. All right. So yeah, let's see if we can get it here. That is hard to open. All right, so all right, you can see the film in the box. So it opens for both sides. Let's open it here, and that's it. Take the pack from here. Empty box. Moving forward. Here we go. Kind of see KZ Okpala at the back, but can't be helped. All right. Good luck. Hopefully we get some nice cards. All right. Montreal Harrell for the Clippers. Jay Crowder for the Memphis Grizzlies. These are thick. DeAndre Bembry from Atlanta Hawks. Marcus Morris for New York Knicks. Kyle Kuzma for the Lakers. I like that. I'll keep that there. DeAndre Ayton for the Phoenix Suns. Miles Turner for the Indiana Pacers. Danilo Gallinari for Oklahoma City Thunder. Bobby Portis for New York Knicks. And oh, okay, so we didn't get a variation. All right, that sucks, but let's see who's our green is. It's a Jared Culver. This is a, no, this isn't the variation. It's a Jared Culver green. All right, we'll sleeve that. Jared Culver green. Nice. All right. So just put him here first. And then we've got, oh, it's a rookie. From Atlanta, DeAndre Hayes. That's a DeAndre Hunter. We'll sleeve that in a while. Scottie Pippen, definitely we'll sleeve in a while. Grant Williams, that's a rookie. We'll sleeve it too. Cam Johnson, not bad. All right, cool. So far, so good. Give and go for the Aaron Fox. Got game for Blake Griffin. And we've got, all right, we'll move that there. Move that there. Charles Barkley, Hall of Fame. Rui Hachimura for the Wizards. Zion Williamson, debut. Not bad. And a KZ Okpala. Oh, so we still got a Zion. Pretty good. Pretty good pack. And a, I'm not sure if that green is, Jared Culver is actually a variation. I'm not sure though. It was in the variation slot, but Zion Williamson, there you go. So you got a Zion, you got a Jock. Not bad. Not bad if I can say so myself. All right, let's just leave the other guys here first. Rui Hachimura. Give and go. Actually, this side, if you kind of look at it from this side, if you just start pressing it from this side, you feel like it's actually a Genesis or something. Looks nice though. All right, and we've got Cam Johnson for orange. Grant Williams. All right, that's nice. Always nice. All right, let me just get some sleeves. Be right back. We got a Scottie Pippen for orange, and DeAndre Hunter. Would have been nice if we actually got some of the hits better, but yeah. A lot of people like DeAndre Hunter right now. They're saying like he's the future Kawhi, but I can say the less man. All right, okay, so that was great. So we'll put a Zion there on top. Zion here together with Taco. There we go. All right, and on to our last hanger box of the night. Last box opening of the night. go. You can see it's empty. Just take out this one. All right, Langston Galloway. Let's not try to spoil ourselves by peeking at the back. Let's see if we can rip it out looking at it. All right, there we go. Is there any special card? Nope, nothing special. So let's go slowly. All right, so first card, Langston Galloway. We've got Damian Lillard, Joe Ingles, Jarrett Allen, Kawhi Leonard, let's leave that there, Taj Gibson, Aaron Baines, Dante DiVincenzo, Tobias Harris, and we do not have a variant, unfortunately. So moving on, we've got Dario Saric, DJ Augustine, Jaylen Brown, and another Langston Galloway. Red Lillard, should be nice. The Give and Go, and a Kawhi Leonard green. That's not bad. Steph Curry, Taco Fall, Allen Iverson, and Jalen Noel. All right, so not a lot of hits on that pack. But let's leave what we have, okay? Honestly, I really don't care because I got an RJ auto. Right. Okay. So the hits for that second pack are Damian Lillard orange, Kawhi Leonard green, a rookie for Jalen Noel, Taco Fall, and Allen Iverson. All right, and some of the other cards that we will be keeping would be Vegas Kawhi and Kyle Kuzma, because I like Kuzma. But we want to review. So yeah, we got a green Jared Culver, sorry, and we've got a Zion Williamson NBA debut. Right, and then yeah, of course, hit of the night, RJ Barrett auto, and a Ja Morant rookie level 1. All right, that'll be it for tonight. Thank you very much, Ryan, for joining me, because I guess you're the only one who's watching anyway. So yeah, so I'll be posting another box break, and if you guys want to join me, then that's it. I'll see you at the rest, and yeah, take care. Cheers. Bye-bye. Yay!